Suddenly now to be faced.
Umshushisi woMbuso uadvocate Billy Downer uthi ngenxa yokuthi inkantolo ephakeme yokwedluliswa kwamacala yasichitha isicelo sasifakwe ngomehluleli uBitcoin sesiphelile isikhathi sokuthi uZuma afake isicelo sokwedlulisa isinqumo asedlulisele enkantolo yomthethosisekelo. uDowner uthi ngakho ke uZuma kumele afake esinye isicelo enkantolo nokuyinto angayenzanga.
We say, and we develop this argument in the interest of justice argument, we say that it doesn't appear that there could be any other reason other than that you want to avoid an early Constitutional Court final decision relating to the merits of your lordship's judgments.
Ummeli likaZuma unqaba Buthelezi ukuchithile lokho wathi ngokomthetho basasenaso isikhathi sokufaka lesicelo wathi inkantolo yomthethosisekelo kumele inqume ukuthi ingabe sasikhona yini isidingo sokuthi bafake isicelo.
All of these flawed submissions that Mr. Downer makes with respect stem from his not reading the order, because if you read the order of the 23rd of September, and for the sake of completeness I will, madam, it says the following. In the second paragraph it says this: for purposes of this application the court has assumed, without so deciding, that a decision of the President to dismiss a Section 17(2)(f) application is in principle appealable.
Abameli bakaZuma baphinde bacacisa ukuthi kungenzeka baphinde bafake esinye isicelo sokuthi ashenxe umshushisi woMbuso uadvocate Billy Downer.